What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Z1 off-road homecoming event. They're doing shop tours, they're doing dyno runs, a bunch of nice rigs here, so I thought I'd bring y'all along and show you all the cool stuff here. We're gonna be getting a shop tour here soon, and then we got my truck going on the dyno. That'll be fun to see. Also, there's a whole list of people that have been on the dyno already that we'll be able to compare different trucks to wheel horsepower. So sit tight and let's get you to the area so we can show you where all the cool trucks are. A bunch of cool Xteras. There's a handful of Titans here. Some of these rigs might look familiar. They got everything here from stock to heavily modified. Check out this red color. I love that red color. Got a couple Frontiers over here. Stock Nismo with the nice Nismo rims on it. I think this is a Z1 truck. Super clean. And we've got third gens over here. You guys know these two. This is Felix, who's been on the channel before, and Joe, his black Pro 4X. It's right there. It's a stock Pro 4X. Pro 4X with the snorkel on it. Got Josh here from South Florida with his Titan Swap Pro 4X. We got my truck right here, sitting pretty, like a stock SV. And check out the blue color on this Pro 4X. I love that blue. Like I said, right now we're hanging out. They're doing taking a lunch break. The guys running the dyno, but I'm gonna get my truck on the dyno and I'll catch back up with you in a few minutes. Check out this third gen Frontier they got here, Z1. This thing is Titan swapped on 35's, 2.5 inch body lift. It's obviously got the rack and the tent with the light bar up top. That's pretty cool. This thing is super sweet. Only one like it I've seen that has a Titan swap and a 2.5 inch body lift. So I got Titan uppers. These are 315 by 12.5 17s. This thing is sweet. And best part, it's got that blower on there. I do like the carbon on this air intake, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. So they had a raffle for a couple different items, and I entered all my tickets in for the Z1 tuner from Ecutech, and I won. So they're going to do the dyno on the truck as it sits now, then they'll put the tuner on and do another dyno run and give you guys a comparison number. So yeah, pretty pumped about that. I never won anything, so pretty cool to see the difference on Josh's Titan swap versus mine. How much taller mine sits up. But also he's not running 35s, those are 33s I believe. Well boys, we finally got us some Nissan Frontier merch live now in the store. Go to the YouTube channel, go check it out. Check the videos out. We got hats, we got shirts, we got hoodies. Anything you guys want with the third gen or four-wheel drive adventure logo on it. We got some more stuff in the works, but that's what we got right now. So go check it out. Go pick up something cool. When you guys get something from the store, make sure you go on Instagram, tag 4-Wheel Drive Adventure on it so we can see it, we can share it. And I appreciate you guys keep supporting us and spreading the word.
it's smoking. Hold on 1 second.
It couldn't be possibly been dirt.
Probably dirt, man. All right.
For your flash? Yeah.
So you went from just in that area right there, you went from 187 to, can't see it, 212 there. So you picked up a lot down low.
Which is good.
But you gained a little bit up top, but out through here, there's a little less timing in ours because the factory one, after running so hard, it has to basically come out of safe mode.
Yeah.
So that's how you gain there. But yeah, this is your peak gains in here.
All right, guys, we just made out the Stony Lonesome off-road park here in Alabama. We're set up, we're going to be camping here tonight. We're going to be riding out in the morning and hit as many trails as we can. So that'll be a separate video, but let me show you where we're all set up. So Joe and Felix are set up here next to me. I'm set up right here in the Gazelle. The Xterra crew's over here, and they're kind of all scattered out through the park, but campground's pretty nice, not too bad. It's a little warm, but it's cooling down pretty quick, so we should sleep pretty good tonight. That's gonna be it for this video. Check out the next one where we're hitting all the trails tomorrow. I think you guys will enjoy it, so we'll see you then.